To use Cash App without a sponsor, you need to understand the basics of the app and its features. Cash App is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money using their mobile devices. First, download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your device. Once installed, open the app and tap on the Sign Up button to create an account. You will be asked to provide your phone number or email address to verify your account. After verification, you will be prompted to link your debit card or bank account to the app. This is necessary to fund your Cash App account and to receive payments. You can link your debit card by entering the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. To add money to your Cash App account, go to the My Cash tab and tap on the Add Cash button. Enter the amount you want to add and confirm the transaction. The money will be transferred from your linked debit card or bank account to your Cash App account. To send money, go to the Cash App home screen and enter the recipient's phone number, email address, or $hashtag. Enter the amount you want to send and add a note to describe the transaction. Confirm the transaction and the money will be transferred to the recipient's account. To receive money, share your $hashtag with the sender. The sender can enter your $hashtag to send you money directly to your Cash App account. Best practices for using Cash App without a sponsor include keeping your account information up to date, monitoring your account activity regularly, and reporting any suspicious transactions to Cash App support. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Cash App without a sponsor and enjoy the convenience of peer-to-peer payments. Remember to always use the app responsibly and securely to protect your financial information.